How to delete Twitch account on Android and iOS is what I'm going to show you in this video. So as you can see, I'm on the Twitch app, logged into my account, and in order to delete my account, I will go to account settings. Sadly, you can only log out on the app itself, so you will have to get to the Twitch website in order to delete your account. To get there, you click Terms of Service, which redirects you to the website. You now click your icon in the top right. There you go. And now click Browse. This will send you over to the actual Twitch website where you can eventually delete your Twitch account. So you want to log in. Now that you're logged in, all you got to do is click your profile picture in the top right, hit Settings at the bottom. There you go. Now go to the left, scroll down until you see disabling your Twitch account. Disable your Twitch account. If you want to disable your Twitch account, you can do so from the Disable Account page. Click the link. Now you want to scroll up to see this. Account to disable, how to global YouTube. You can tell them why you're disabling their account. You don't have to. And you then click the Disable Account button. And your account will successfully be deleted. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I'm finally facing it all, fearless.